So it's Wednesday, November 11th, 2020, Remembrance Day, and this is where we parked overnight. Another stealth parking job overnight. We're in Crescent Beach. We parked next to the Seahorse Grill in front of the basketball court here. And this is what it looks like here. For a quick walk around here. So in front of the homes. And over there is the ocean, which we'll go to later on this afternoon. And as you can see, very quiet out here. Nobody bothered us. It's a great place to stay. It's very level. You have the heater on. It's nice 75 Fahrenheit inside. Going out for a drive out to Blackie Spit. And we'll have breakfast out there. And as you see, there's another sprinter coming up ahead. The Surrey Sailing Club here. Lots of potholes to deal with here. Try to park in this spot right here. And this is the entrance to the Pacific Ocean. And to the right here is called Blackie Spit. Great place for a walk, or bring your dogs out. And in the far distance is the city of Burnaby, and further is the city of Vancouver. Hard to see in the North Shore Mountains. Time for breakfast. So we're in the parking lot of Crescent Beach, over by Blackie Spit. The heater running, staying warm. It's like 2 degrees Celsius outside. This part of the park is called Blackie Spit Park. Keep your distance. And to the right here is a dog park where people bring their dogs. And there's no dogs or bikes past this point here. this is usually a birding area. So it's an environmentally sensitive area. You gotta stay on the central trail. There's no beach access, no picnics or blankets, no chairs, no kites. And it's only birds in this area here. It's a great place to come during the summertime. Parking lots are normally packed out here. Winter, not so much.